Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, you guys. So either which way, this is going to be a bag unboxing. All right, and that bag unboxing is going to be a Kate Spade bag unboxing. Backstory, and this bag has been sitting here literally for, when was Mother's Day? In May, so for almost about like a month, you guys. All right, literally almost about a month, because I've been waiting to unbox this with you guys. Have not worn it, have not gotten it out of the box, whatever like that. It's just like I said, the world just took a turn. I'm just jumping into it because I really wanted this bag. The backstory to this bag is that this particular bag literally was on sale. Kate Spade had a sale going on, and I ordered a different bag. I bought that particular bag at full price. Was I mad about it? Yes. However, that bag got away from me before, and I could never find it. And all of a sudden, it just jumped onto the Kate Spade website, and I just said, you know what? Let me go ahead and get it, because at the time that I wanted it, it was on sale, but I didn't get it. And I even went in the store, and they couldn't order it for me for some reason or whatever. So she said, just try online. If it doesn't pop up, I'm so sorry. But either which way. So $378 was actually the bag, all right? 50% off, the bag wind up being $189. I had a credit of $115. So with the 50% off, the $115 with the discounted refund back or whatever, I received a total of $304 in discounts. So not really a discount, because I mean I got the money back or whatever like that. So either which way, when everything was said and done, the bag was $74 with tax, $84. Let me repeat myself. The bag was $378 with 50% off and my credit. I wind up only paying $83. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining, you guys. You know how I love Kate Spade, and like I said, I'll buy Kate Spade regular price. I'll buy it from the outlet. I'll buy it on sale. It doesn't really matter, because I love Kate Spade. Like, I love the brand or whatever like that, all right? So that is the backstory. Now you know, let's unbox. Yes, I am using the end of my comb to open this. Don't judge, I don't have any scissors or anything like that with me. But as you can see, box is right here. Paper. All right, you guys. Yes, we're going to open this up. So this actually was part of my Mother's Day gift. All right. I just have never been able to open it, because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So yes, regular price $378. Once again, if we go back to all the savings and the discount, I only paid $84. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. All right, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a detachable strap, and I'm going to just take that off. I'm gonna mess this up. All right, so that way I can kind of work with that. So detachable adjustable strap. All right, you guys, lately I've just been into like smaller bags, and I've been trying to get into them because I do love the crossbody bags. Sometimes you don't always need the huge tote, and these just make a cute little statement or whatever like that, so I like that. But this cutie is the Kate Spade Nicola twist crossbody bag. All right, so the twist, of course, let me take this off because you won't be able to do it. Okay, so as you can see, the Kate Spade symbol, you just twist, and you can hear that click. The bag is locked. All right, so it's completely adorable. Like I said, it's a cute little crossbody bag. I saw it, I loved the color, I loved everything about it. So really quickly, I will go into a few key details, what sold me on the bag itself. I mean, other than the fact that it's a Kate Spade, come on. But I love the little handle, because I can easily just carry it like that, and I think it's really cute. Comes with the detachable / adjustable strap, so I do love that. I loved the little twist lock. I adore that. Comes with feet, as you can see. and I love the color. So you have pocket 1 and pocket 2. So I like the fact that it kind of has like this accordion style opening, and you can fit a few things in here. And then of course you have this little slot that's right there. So if you wanted to, you can easily put like a few cards in there and stack it in there, but you can also put like a little card holder back here too. And then you also have a slot pocket right back there. But I think I would probably, because I don't want to mess up the back, I'll probably put my phone, if it fits, in here, which I think it will, because I can just maneuver it or whatever like that. Because honestly, I think this particular size is the same size as Louis Vuitton in that. So either which way, like I said, the thing that really got me was the turn lock, because it's adorable. And like I said, I went with this particular color because it was different and I really liked it. But I will definitely do a whole little video on this, and that's another video to come. That way you guys have so much more to watch, all right? But like I said, you have a top handle, you have a twist lock closure, you have 4 feet at the bottom, this smooth leather, and of course you have the Kate Spade foiled embossed logo right there. And of course you have the Kate Spade logo for the twist right there. So there you have it. Twist to open, twist to close. I think it has sufficient enough space and you can't go wrong. I mean, at all. But I think right now currently they have a 40% off. I do not know when this video is gonna go up, you guys. I apologize, but honestly, just do what I do. Like, I literally stalk the website for any kind of sales, and then I just go from there. Or I'll email my SA, or they'll email me, and then we'll kind of just, you know, touch base with each other to see what I like and see what's on sale, and then they'll just mail it to me or whatever like that. Do the discounts how they need to, but because the little mini bags are cute. And like I said, I don't think you always need a huge tote or a huge bag to go everywhere. Sometimes if you're just running errands, all you need is your phone, your card holder, and your keys, and you're good to go. All right, so that is it. That is my unboxing. You guys let me know what you think. That's it for this cutie. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked it. I love this bag. Subscribe, comment, like. Definitely like and share, and then tell your friends. Tell your friends we're doing it, and that's it. All right, I will talk to you in the next video.